Procreate for Video Manual. Introduction. When you open Procreate, you first see the gallery. There are 4 pieces of art already in the gallery. Tap on them and see what incredible art you can make with Procreate. To return to the gallery, tap on the word Gallery in the upper left corner of the screen. On the upper right corner you have 4 options: Select, Import, Photo, and the plus sign. Press on the plus. A drop-down menu appears. Tap on Square. You have just made a new canvas. Canvas. On the left of the screen you see a vertical bar with 2 sliders. These are the sliders to adjust the brush size and brush opacity. On the top of the screen you see 2 rows of buttons. On the left you see 4 buttons. Actions. The first button is the Actions button. The drop-down menu is divided in 6 sections: Image, Canvas, Share, Video, Prefs, and Help. Adjustments. With this section you can adjust your artwork with filters. Select tool. With the Select tool you can make freehand or automatic selections. Transform tool. With the Transform tool you can transform your selection, make the ship bigger or smaller, rotate it, shear it, and even change the perspective of your images. The next set of 5 buttons are for drawing and painting. Brushes. The Brushes tool holds all the default brushes in Procreate. On the left you have the brush sets. Each brush set holds 8 brushes. Smudge. With the Smudge tool you can smudge and mix your artwork with the same brushes you can paint with. Erase. With the Erase tool you can erase your artwork with the same brushes you can paint and smudge with. Layers. When you press on Layers, the canvas is built up with 2 layers: the background layer and layer 1. With the plus sign you can add layers. The last button is the Color menu. When you press on it, you have several options to choose your colors in Procreate. The interface of Procreate is very open and simple. In this way you will have more space to draw. In the next chapters I will explain all the features in Procreate 4 in detail. Want to learn everything about Procreate 4.3? Then get the Procreate 4 Video Manual on Apple Books or Vimeo On Demand for only $4.99. Learn all the features in Procreate 4.3 with over 2 hours of video tutorials. The links are in the description below this video.